so? Listen, you are crossing the line. In fact, you have been crossing the line and now it is not cute at all. It is not cute, it is very disturbing. It feels as if I have a rival in my own husband's house, only that the rival is my husband's daughter. What is all this? Please, honey, please, talk some senses into her, because I am beginning to lose my patience. I'm not finding it funny anymore. What is all this one?
My father cannot be kept hungry, madam. He needs food.
I want to come to your level to beg you to learn how to mind your business. I'm a bubago. You see that woman? Respect her. I am talking at your level and I know why. My age.
You are talking to me like this, Papa. After what I've done. Hey!
Come here.
Papa, you are hurting.
Come here.
You are hurting me.
Sit down. Sit down. Sit down there. What is the matter with you? I mean, what is this? I don't understand. Why do you people like to create confusion where there is no confusion? What do you mean that I didn't secure your approval to marry her? I don't understand. She's what did this start? That I have to secure your approval before I do something in this house? What does that mean, even? I don't know what does that mean. I am the owner of this house. I am your father. I am the father
and we are your children, Papa. Does our happiness not matter to you?
I need to understand something. Are you by any means trying to imply that me getting a second wife will make your life miserable?
But Papa, we've heard series of stories about stepmothers. How are we sure the one you're bringing will not be mean than the ones we've heard already?
Does it mean you don't know me? No, does it mean that you are parading yourselves as my daughters and you don't trust me? You know, you're seeing me as a man who will go out there to get a new wife and will end up with the evil one? The one who will come and spoil the family? No! The Monica that I want to bring in is a very decent woman who is going to transform this place into a home. Can we stop this nonsense, please?
But Papa, what if she does not like us? Have you thought about that? What if she wants to come between father and daughters? Wait, are you planning to have new kids with her? Will you forget about us and concentrate on your new family, Papa?
There is nothing like new family. This family is one and will always remain one. Can't we understand this? Why are we making a case where there is no case? Why?
Father, I've been doing a good job in this family.
I know.
Since mother died.
I know.
I've been taking care of everyone very well. I became both mother and daughter in this family. We don't need her.
You don't need her. I agree. But I need her. Look at you all. Very powerful, good looking, maidens, girls. Very soon all of you will become married and go to your husband's houses. I need a son. A son who is going to continue my lineage when I am gone. And I am so certain that this Monica I am bringing in is one who is going to provide me with this son. Can we please allow peace to reign? Can we please stop all this nonsense we are doing and understand that I have married her already and that she's coming in? Can we do that?
Peace. Okay.
Son?
Papa, just know that we did not approve this marriage.
Well, you did not approve, but the owner of the land has already approved. People who are merely using the land should not even be saying anything. I am the owner of the land. The owner of the land. I have approved.
Papa, this is not fair. It's not good at all.
Okay. Are you crying? Wait, why are you crying?
Will you shut up and think of something?
Oh, sister, what are we going to do about this situation now? Because as it stands now, Papa is already married and she'll soon be coming home.
You think I don't know? I'm just thinking of something to undo what Papa has done.
How do you mean undo what Papa has done? If they are married, they are married. Didn't you hear him say they are married? He's just going to bring her home. Or do you want to come in between husband and wife? You want to separate them?
Not if we show her that she has no place in this house. I've been the one running this home. I've been taking care of Papa and everyone. So she cannot come to assume the ownership of this house.
Exactly. But then, from where I stand, wives run the home and not daughters. So how will this work?
In this case, I'm in charge. She will have no peace. I promise her that.
I concur. I stand with you.
And you, what are you saying about it?
I am actually very excited that you are standing here waiting.
Thank you.
And here she comes. The one I've told you about. The one who has become the woman of the house. Her name is Monica. And she's here to resume her responsibility as my new wife. These are my children.
Oh, I am so glad to meet all of you. Your father has told me a lot about you. You must be Ada, the eldest and the most supportive. Your father has told me how nurturing you are.
Seeing that I'm the smallest, I still assume I'm the eldest. Seems like my father discussed my stature with you.
Just like he discussed Chinenye's height and Ijoma's complexion with me. He only did that so that I'll be able to recognize you and, you know, tell you people apart immediately I see you.
But honestly, I expected you, three of you, to greet her when I have introduced her. And here you are, waiting for her to be the first to greet. Where is the manner I taught you all? Where is it?
Welcome.
Welcome, Papa's new wife.
You are not welcome. Madam, I did not approve this marriage.
Hey, Ada, you are not going to disrespect my wife. You will not do that.
My love, it is okay. I actually understand, Ada. Listen, I am not here to take your father away from you. On the contrary, I am actually here to make everybody happy as his wife and as your mother, if you let me.
You can never be our mother. My sisters and I are okay. We don't need you.
Don't worry, you will adjust. At least let me have a hug. Oh, come. Oh, no.
And now that you have ended the hug, I can understand. Can you please come and help me to get her things from the trunk? Let's go. Come. I can actually tell you from the very depth of my heart that I am so happy to have you here.
I am so happy to be here too.
Good.
But I don't think your daughters feel the same way.
Well, I believe you understand what is happening. They believe they don't need a mother, but I know that I need a wife.
They actually think I am here, to take their father's attention away from them. So, in a way, I understand them.
Good. You see why you are the best? You see why you are very supportive and understanding? With time, they will come to reality of what is happening, and they will come down and allow us to enjoy this marriage.
And I am not going to give up.
That's my baby.
I am here to make things work.
I know you can prepare, and I am equally prepared. Monica.
My baby.
Thank you. Thank you.
Papa, you sent for me.
Ada, I have noticed your foul mood, and I can understand why. But I need you to know you have your place in this house. The same way Monica has her place. I am doing what makes me happy, not for you guys to feel sad. What is difficult in this to understand?
You did what is on your mind, Papa. So why are we still talking about this?
We are talking about this because Monica has become my wife. And she has come to stay. We are like one family now. Why are you not understanding this?
You did what makes you happy. So don't worry about us. Do you want me to do anything for you?
Listen, Monica is new in this house. I need you to show her around. In fact, I need you to make it possible for her to adjust to her new home. Can you do that for me?
She should move around herself now. I want to see how well she get adjusted in her new home. Sorry, Papa. I will never allow your new wife to be comfortable in this house. You know why? Because she's not welcomed.
Are you by any means trying to disobey me?
I'm trying not to, Papa.
So what are you doing?
As Papa, wait, Papa, wait. You want me to make a strange woman that I did not even give my consent? Did I approve the marriage? And you want me to make her feel comfortable? Ha! Papa, you too do.
As we speak, has she been married? Yeah. Yeah. Monica.
My darling husband.
Monica.
My darling husband.
You keep looking amazing.
Thank you.
Every step of the way.
Thank you. But this your house is big.
Thank you.
I like it.
Thank you.
I was just, walking around and assessing things. And I think I would like to rearrange some of the things, rearrange some places, then buy furniture for some places.
Okay.
That is, if you do not mind.
Are you supposed to be asking me? You are now married into this family. You are the wife of the house, the woman of the house. You can change anything you want to change.
No way, Papa. Look, let me tell you, this is not just your house. You may be married to my father. You may be called my father's wife, but you don't take decision alone in our house.
Why should I take permission from you before doing things in my own house? No, I want to know. Listen, this is my husband's house. So when you get married and you go to your husband's house, behave anyhow you like. Do anything you like there. Okay? You should not and will never tell me what to do in my own home. You can't do that.
Very simple.
I can't believe you. You just arrived 1 day ago and you're already thinking of making changes in our own house. You must be a joy killer.
You must be very disrespectful and sad. Now listen, don't you ever think that I will allow you to talk to me in that manner ever again.
It's okay. It's okay, my beautiful wife. Please calm down. And then what is even wrong with you? As intelligent as you claim to be, are you not supposed to know that change is the only constant thing in life? And the people who are smart should be able to embrace change when they see one. Don't you know that?
Why must she be the one to make the changes? Does it mean my sisters and I do not have a say in this house?
The change we are speaking of, you are not even giving it a chance to see if you will like it or not. Can you please allow this change to come? We can pick it up from there. Can you please do that?
I'm really sad about this, Papa. I'm not happy.
Why are you sad? What's wrong with that? Listen, my beautiful wife, please don't allow yourself to be disturbed on the account of this. Managing crisis is part of human nature. That is why they have a department of crisis management in the university now. One crisis is already looking at you. Just learn how to manage. Biko kanayo. Ade peke, even again sobu.
She wants to change everything in this house. And father keep doing everything just to please her, not minding if it will please us.
What are you going to do? Because soon, we'll all become strangers in our own father's house. Very, very soon.
I will not let that happen. I've been taking care of this family myself. I will not let nothing for good desperado to take it away from me.
Sister, what can we do to help?
I think you can do something. Both of you can do something. Speak to father. Pour your heart to father. Tell father you people don't like what is happening in this house. And you cannot be nice or respect her in this house. We must keep frustrating her in this house so that she will pack her back and leave. We do what will make her hate this house.
I would like to speak to you. Let us talk.
I prefer to be left alone. But if what you want to say cannot wait, then make it brief.
You know the way you speak to me is actually very disrespectful. Listen, apart from the fact that I am your father's wife, I am older than you. You know that, right?
Are you here to scold me like a child? No, I don't understand. Do you know how old I am? Huh? Don't allow my stature to fool you. Look, let me tell you. I feel like a mother in this house, and I must continue to protect what is mine.
That is where you're getting it all wrong. I am not here to take your place. I mean, everybody has their role in this house. Everybody has their place. And mine is being your father's wife and a mother to you and your sisters.
God forbid. You can never be my mother. You pretend a lot. You can never deceive me because I'm wiser than you.
I actually thought we were going to have a very, nice conversation that might lead to us understanding each other better. But I can see you have drawn the battle line already, and I am not in the mood. So I'm going to go inside and wait for you to calm down. Then we will conclude this conversation, okay?
There is nothing to talk about. If you think you can fool me with your deceptive heart, you lie. In fact, I hate you. There is nothing you will do in this life that will make me to love you. I hate you. So go. Please leave. Look at that. Pretender. Pretend a lot. Witch. Hey! Cherish!
What's happening?
Hey! Look at! This witch want to burn these clothes! Hey!
I don't understand.
Hey!
Why are you shouting? I mean, these clothes are old. I don't need anybody to tell me that. Nobody wears them anymore. So what is the problem?
And so what? Madam Aituno, and so what? Who told you have the right to make that decision? The fact that we are not using this cloth again does not mean we do not have sentimental attachment to them.
Yes.
Who asked you?
Ah!
Busybody!
Witch! Hey! Look at my shoe that my mother bought in Eke market day. I need to take my first step with this shoe. You want to get rid of our mother in our head? Hey, you are a witch. I said it.
I remember Mama wearing this wrapper on my primary school graduation day, and I can still see her face, how happy she was, lifting me up to the envy of everyone. Why do you want to burn them? Why?
Are you hearing?
Oh, why? Why do you want to burn it? Why? Answer her now. You are looking like Kokoro. Witch.
Ipa, it's like you're playing with this. See, what's your name again? Be careful with us in this house, oh. Don't look for my trouble. Oh. Stay away from our properties. I will not warn you again. Manu, pick. Back all of them. I said you
Witch. These clothes are tied for a purpose. We use this to remember our mother's memory and the life we share. You want to get rid of the clothes. Why? So you cannot ask questions.
Nobody says you. We did not beg you. Mind your business in this house. Don't look for my trouble, oh. Don't look for my. I will not look for yours. But if you come close to me, hey, I just pack it.
To reap what you did not sow. Go digger. You are a go digger.
It's my pack
Witch. Burn them.
Let's go.
Honestly, babe, I don't need a soothsayer to know there is a problem. Why are you unhappy? I am your husband. You should talk to me.
Should I be happy? Should I be happy when your children treat me like a strange element that has come to ruin their lives? Am I supposed to be happy?
But I thought we had an understanding on this. I pleaded with you to understand and tolerate them. We agreed on this. So what changed?
Should it not go both ways? They are not children anymore. They are adults. They know what is right. If they keep disrespecting me that way, why should I be the one to tolerate them? I am constantly disrespected. They look down on me. They talk to me anyhow. But you expect me to show them tolerance and understanding. So if you want me to do that, I mean, they should also extend that courtesy to me.
I agree with you. You have a very valid point, but what exactly do you want me to do? I don't know how I am going to force them to like you. I am not a magician.
I am not expecting you to perform any magic. I just want you to talk to them. Let them accord me the respect, considering the position I hold in this house.
I know.
Because I don't know how long I will tolerate and understand them.
You are not going to allow my children to make you who you are not. You are a very decent woman, noble woman, and I know you are going to tolerate them until they come to terms with the reality of what is happening here. Please,
I don't know how long I'm going to do that.
You should.
It's becoming very frustrating.
Please. I love you and you know that. I called us here to issue a sound warning. Ada, if there is anything you want to say it loud. Or you just shut up.
Sorry, Papa. Please continue.
Listen, Monica is very unhappy in this house. Thanks to you all. I did not raise you to be like this. I raised you girls to be credible citizens of the society. People who should be able to tolerate other people. People who should be able to be receptive. But I am not seeing that training I gave. What I am seeing bullies instead. And I am trying to understand where this is coming from.
Papa, we did not beat her or threaten to beat her. Not yet.
At least.
Not yet. That means there is plan to beat her someday. Now listen to me. No element of disrespect of Monica will be tolerated in this house. She is married into this family. She is a wife. She has become your stepmother. So you have to give her the respect she deserves. Am I clear on this?
Yes, Papa.
Oh.
Hey, my husband is back. Oh. Welcome.
How are you?
I'm fine, but this house is always lonely when you're not here.
I understand. Guess what I got for you? Why?
No.
Why are you screaming?
Oh my God.
You like it?
What did you ask me?
Well, you like
I
it?
like it. I've always wanted one of these. Thank you. Thank you so much.
I am so glad giving it to you. And I promise, I will always give you more. I will keep giving you wonderful, wonderful things.
Thank you. Thank you.
I have spoken with my daughters. You understand? You know, I raised them up in a way that they learned how to respect their elders. I believe, based on the way we discussed, from now going forward, they will uphold that training I give them. They will.
I hope so too. You know, I really want to get along with your daughters. I've always dreamt of us having a good time, gisting, you know, me making their hair and then we're teasing each other.
Okay.
But the way things are going, it's as if it will only happen in my imagination.
Don't give up. No. Everything is already under control. Trust me. All those your imaginations, they will happen. Everything will fall in their rightful places.
I hope so.
Let's go, guys.
Okay.
Let's go. No, let me do that. Let me do that.
Hey, I cannot believe it.
My baby.
Charm is real. Let me see. Hi!
Charm.
This woman is fake and deceptive. Look at the right word she is using to make father fall more for her. Hi! Monica has used charm to tie our father.
I agree with you. Those words she said to father, those very sweet words, are the reason father is buying all those gifts for her.
She's a liar. Terrible. Big one. Because no woman who married a man with grown-up like these children to live with them. That woman is looking for a way to send us out of our father's house.
Sister, are you sure? Because I know we've heard a lot of stories and I'm scared too, honestly. I just think we should give Auntie Monica a chance. So she seems decent and nice. Let's try and get to know her. She might be different though.
If not that you're my sister,
May the ghost of our mother has strike that your
No. If not that she's my sister that I love so much, I would have given you backhand. Like straight up.
You said what? Monica is good. No, I'm the bad one, Abi.
Why are you so gullible and stupid? Eh? Is it not glaring? Is it not obvious that she's trying to manipulate Papa?
See,
is it not?
I know you have a good heart and you wish people and things to be good just like you. But let me tell you, in reality, they are not nice, oh. These people are evil.
Oh, tell her.
When last did Papa buy you clothes? When last a fool? Stupid girl.
One day I'll just use my hand and scatter your mouth. I'll disjoint your mouth.
Look at the hair. Look at the way she is gallivanting, laughing. I wish she's a pretender. Hi!
But the hair is fine now. It's gone straight.
Hey, now.
I'll kill you.
Very nice.
Papa!
Yeah?
Do you want to die? Hey! This one I want to kill my father. I said it.
How?
What is the meaning of this?
Papa, eat. I watched you cooking this meal. I saw the plenty pepper you added in this food. Madam, you are new to my father's life and it is understandable you don't know what my father likes and dislikes. Please, ask question.
Listen, very soon your father will get used to my own method of doing things in this house. And as for learning what he likes and what he does not like, what is the hurry? I am here with him forever. So I have all the time in the world to learn what he likes. What is your problem? Please.
It doesn't stop you from asking questions. This is my father's life you are talking about. Don't kill him before his time, Mo.
Listen, I will not learn my husband from his daughter. Yes, I will learn everything about him myself. Do you hear me?
Okay,
I know you are used to taking care of him. I know that in fact, you have always taken care of him. But relax now. Cool down. He already has a wife. And it is the duty of his wife to take care of him in every aspect.
And I'm his daughter.
Why eat this food?
Papa, eat.
Food.
That's my father. As he dey sweet me, he dey pain them. As he dey sweet me, and why he dey pain them. Papa, eat. Oh?
Food is food.
Stop eating this rubbish. Papa, eat this one. Oh?
Sometimes I really pity Auntie Monica. Sister Ada is not going to ever allow her enjoy this marriage.
What side are you on, actually? Are we not sisters? We are supposed to be bonded, united, together. We should be able to throw away that woman from his house. Whatever it is Monica is getting, she deserves it. Ha! Oh.
Well, she is the wife, and it is the duty of the wife to cook for her husband and take care of the affairs of the home.
But Ada has been doing that since Mama died. Is she complaining? Because for all I know, she's been doing it well, effortlessly. And because of this Monica, Papa is not giving her the attention she deserves. And until she gets that importance back, she will not stop. That I know.
I know Sister Ada has tried for all of us. She deserves to be happy. I know that. But Father also deserves his happiness. And that particular kind of happiness, he can only get it from a woman. Or don't you want him to die of depression? But you don't know there is prostate cancer.
Hey.
He has to get that happiness from a woman, not his daughter. There's a big difference.
And that is why Ada is fighting for her position. Okay, let me ask you. When was the last time Papa gave you the attention that you needed? Like, when was the last time Papa sat you down to give you attention, like father to daughter? Except maybe you want to talk about his new wife. When? It's like he's not glaring, you're not seeing it well. I concur to whatever it is Ada is doing. Yes, I concur to it.
Yeah, I just want peace to return to this house. Let's go back to how we used to be before. All this fight, quarrel all the time.
Yeah, choose well. I am for war.
Chinyere.
War. There cannot be peace in this house. Especially if Ada doesn't feel the importance she used to feel. You know, it's like taking her position and you want her to calm down.
Nobody is taking her position. Wife, daughter is two different things.
Ayana, let's wait and see.
Instead of you to talk to her, you are here encouraging her.
Please.
Baby, what is going on? We are supposed to be still enjoying our honeymoon. Why are you resisting me? Why are you pulling away?
You are hungry, right? You need some bed food, right?
Are you supposed to be asking that? Come on. You are my wife and you know.
I can see that. Just that I am not the only one that is taking care of you. Yes.
How do you mean?
We are two.
What?
So maybe you should call Ada to also feed you here. Since she brags about the way she takes care of you, and you did not put her in her right place as a daughter. Instead, you treated us as if we were co-wives, encouraged her by eating the food I cooked and the food she cooked, even though it was very obvious you were overeating.
So this is what this is all about. I was just trying to take care of an unnecessary war that was about to burst right before me. That's exactly why I ate your food and I only ate her food. Just to stop the unnecessary war. Is it supposed to be an issue?
You don't get it, do you? Ada should be made to understand that things have changed in this house. You now have a wife who is responsible for taking care of you in every aspect, and she should respect that.
I understand you, and you have a very valid point. But I don't want a situation where my daughter will feel rejected. That's why I ate her food. Please understand it.
That is not how she is seeing it. She is seeing it as you giving her the right to continue taking care of you.
God.
When you already have a wife who has that duty. That is the problem.
I am sorry. If by my action you feel I have worsened the situation, trust me, I am going to fix it. But I'm pleading with you, my wife. Come close to me. Please. Please. Please.
Mm-hmm.
I am not going anywhere. Come here. Come here. Why? You know, you have actually done so well for myself, for this family, for your sister, in fact, for everything. And I must have to admit, you are a special gift to us in this family.
Wow. Papa, I'm so surprised. I thought you don't see my efforts.
No.
I thought you don't appreciate it.
Why will I not see your effort? And that you have been hardworking and supportive. Since your mom left, you stepped into her shoes, taking very good care of practically everyone in the family. You denied yourself the life you should live with your friends. You are always around taking care of things. And I must have to thank you. I must have to thank you for everything you have done.
Thank you, Papa. You know I love taking care of this family. And I love taking care of you very well.
But honestly, I called you to actually let you know that despite all the things you have been doing, that the time has come for you to actually stop. You see, everything you have been doing for me, like you just pick my leg now, massaging my leg, cooking for me, doing all those things. I now have somebody who does that. And that person is my wife. I just want you to step out. That life that you have denied yourself all this while, growing up, living without friends. I need you to step out and make friends. I mean, learn a skill, something you are going to become very good at. Trust me, anything you decide to do, I am going to support you.
Papa, but you know I love taking care of you. And no one can take care of you the way I do. Not even your new wife. And I will keep taking care of you even if you ask me to stop. I will not stop.
You will not stop. That means there is another agenda. I am going to mask it because you must stop.
Please, help me and fetch water. I want to finish cooking.
Do I have to do it now? Can't I do it later?
Nnem, are you not hungry? At least now is better, so that food will be ready before your father returns. Oh?
Ijeoma.
Sister?
Have you finished breaking the melon I asked you?
Melon? What melon?
But she can quickly fetch water. Then go back and continue breaking the melon. It's not a problem.
Madam, did you give birth to any child? Madam, if you want to get a bucket of water, get it yourself.
Don't insult me. And don't talk to me in that manner. I am not your mate, too. I am your
mother. God forbid. We are not your children. You are a childless woman feeling pompous because she married an old man. Hey, leave me alone. You want to carry out your wife duties. Do it yourself and don't involve my sisters and I. Don't stress us in our own house. Can't complete breaking that melon. Or you will not eat this evening. If late, go! Stupid girl! Where did my mother even get this from? Good person. Green snake in a green grass. Mpa's wife, look at you. You are not ashamed of yourself. A man who is supposed to be your grandfather, you went ahead and jaye for the man. Hi! I'm ashamed of you. Childless old woman. Go! I will deal with you today.
What is it?
I'm worried. What I fear the most is beginning to happen.
And what could that be?
My biggest fear is that one day, you guys and Papa, I will no longer be useful to you all. Can you imagine what Papa said to me? Papa opened his mouth and asked me to focus on my life, that he only need his new wife alone.
Well, sis, that really won't be a bad idea, you know. I think you're focusing on how we feel, how every other person feels, what we will eat today, what we will eat tomorrow, and you neglect yourself. For once, think about yourself. Think about what you do for yourself. I feel sometimes you're boring and sad. So think about what you want for a change.
Can you even listen to yourself? You are asking me to focus on myself, as if I don't even know how to do that. All my life I've been working, taking care of this family.
See, don't look at it from that aspect, okay? Don't let it break you down. Why don't we see it from the brighter side?
It is only dark when Monica controls the affair of this family. Ever since that witch stepped into this family, everybody thinks I'm no longer useful. In fact, I'm no longer useful to you guys. Worried.
See, sis, you're useful to us. Even Papa needs us too. It's not like he doesn't need, he needs only you. We are family. The way he needs you is the way he needs us. So don't make it look like we are neglecting you. Oh, just take it easy on yourself.
But I'm the only one who knows how to take care of Father very well.
Don't worry.
And I won't stop taking care of him.
I feel your pain, so it's okay. Relax, it's okay. Cheer up, oh. Sis.
Can I ask you a question?
What again?
Will you ever leave me one day?
Hey! One more! Sokwanike.
You will be with me all through your life.
I am here with you. Oh? Calm down. Why you?
Thank you.
Oh.
My husband.
Monica, my beautiful wife.
Welcome. I have been waiting.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Good.
Just that you did not leave any money for me to cook anything for you.
I don't understand. Does it mean you didn't see the note where I made a request that I kept with some money at the very spot where we do our out-of-sight conversation?
That was the first place I checked, and I did not see anything there. I was confused.
How is that possible? I left a note with a request and I left money. Does it mean somebody has taken it?
Maybe we should ask the girls.
Papa, I know you must be hungry. Welcome. Guess what? Your capable daughter has presumptuous delicacy for you. In fact, your money was well spent.
Wait. Are you actually confirming you were the one who took the money and the note I left my wife?
Bam. Exactly, Papa. I saw the money and the notes, so I concentrated on it. You know, your wife was still sleeping, so I took my time to prepare it.
I have told you times and times again. What is your problem? I have told you that you should not be doing my duty in this house. That note was addressed to me, so you had no right to take it and act on it. It was not yours, it was mine.
Wait. Madam, I beg, why are you angry? Madam, I did something good. I fed my father. Why you sleep like log of wood?
What? My wife?
Oh, so now you teach me how to do my job, my duty?
I don't understand.
You are teaching me how to take care of my husband. Not so. Listen, You are crossing the line. In fact, you have been crossing the line and now it is not cute at all. It is not cute, it is very disturbing. It feels as if I have a rival in my own husband's house, only that the rival is my husband's daughter. What is all this? Please, honey, please, talk some senses into her, because I am beginning to lose my patience. I'm not finding it funny anymore. What is all this one?
My father cannot be kept hungry, madam. He needs food.
I want to come to your level to beg you to learn how to mind your business. I'm a Nwokoye. You see that woman? Respect her. I am talking at your level and I know why. My age.
You are talking to me like this, Papa. After what I've done. Hey!
Come here.
Papa, you are hurting.
Come here.
You are hurting me.
Sit down. Sit down. Sit down there. What is the matter with you? No, why have you decided to make my life a living hell? And why have you made up your mind to act in a way that I am not going to enjoy my marriage? Why? Why?
What did I do wrong, Father? Is it because I dreadfully prepared your meal for you? That is what I've been doing all my life.
I get it. I get it. But now, Ada, I am married. And I have pleaded with you to focus on yourself. Take good care of yourself and allow my own wife to take care of me. Why is it too difficult for you? No, why can't you allow peace to reign in this house? Why can't you leave her to act as a wife? Why?
Is that why you are raising your voice at me, Father? What is so special about Monica cooking for you? Is it because I prevent her? I said it, you don't love me anymore. What? It's like I will pack my things, leave this house, like I enjoy your new life with your new wife.
That is not what I am saying. I am sorry. You shouldn't be acting this way. You should not start to read this kind of meaning into it. I just want us to have one family where everybody is living, as one big family. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I've been working all through my life, taking care of you.
But don't do this one. You just said that you will pack and leave. Don't do that. I'm sorry.
Aije, come. Is our sister we just saw?
Yeah.
Hey, Sister Ada is such a good actress. How was she able to bring out tears so fast from her eyes?
To even think that she's the offender and somehow played the victim.
Hey,
she got father to apologize to her.
Hey! Do you know that Sister Ada is trying so hard to show father that she's all that he needs? Hey!
You can say that again. Watching her and Monica go at each other's throat, looks like her father has two wives.
Hey!
I think she should just relax. She should relax and focus on her life like Papa wants her to.
Clean down your mouth. Relax what? Are you supposed to be saying this? Are we not supposed to join force, collaborate forces to throw away that strange woman out of her father's house? Okay, let me ask you. When was the last time Papa gisted with us? When was the last time Father teased us? Father always says you have fine shape. When was the last time you heard that from him? When was the last time you got gift from Papa? When? All of that has been transferred to that evil and strange woman. And you say we should fold our arms and if I give you this slap, your head will reset. We should join forces and throw out of this house. Hey.
I apologize over Ada's action. What she did, I know, is wrong. The truth of the matter is that she's actually unaware of that.
Unaware? What do you mean by unaware? Was her name written on the list? Was she meant to take that money? The money was not hers. So, what do you mean by unaware? Because I don't understand.
I understand what you are saying. What I meant to say is that by her own judgment, she used the money for a good reason. It was not her intention to offend you.
Are you serious right now? No, answer me. Are you being serious?
I am serious.
I was disrespected and disregarded. And here you are, cooking up excuses just to make your daughter look like a helpless victim. Really?
I am sorry, but what do you want me to do?
Punish her. Yes! She needs to be taught a lesson on boundaries and respect. Not you cooking up excuses for her deliberate act of disrespect.
It is okay. It's okay. But I need you to understand. What she did is use the money, cook something nice for her father. She did not see that as if she has committed any offense. And this is something she has been doing over the years. And just like a habit. And like they say, old habits hardly die. You know what I am saying?
I cannot believe this. I cannot believe I am hearing this.
No, I'm going to handle it.
So, you are actually taking sides with your daughter.
But you know I cannot take sides with her.
No, that is what you are doing.
I am balancing it.
No, it's okay.
No.
Don't worry. Because you see, from now on, I am going to handle things my own way.
I am only trying to balance this equation because of peace. Second wife. Only listen up. Monica!
Mommy, can you help us wash our clothes too?
After all, we are your children too.
Exactly.
But you are my grown children. You should be washing your father's clothes and mine too.
Mommy, are you in any way trying to tell us that you will not help us wash our clothes?
Yes. I might refuse if you keep talking to me in that tone. After all, I am your father's wife. I am not your maid.
Oh, we are very sorry, ma. I will take mine and wash them.
I saw you taking medicine this morning. How are you feeling?
I'm getting better. Thank you.
Have you completed the dose?
No, later.
It's okay. I think you should concentrate on getting better. Drop the clothes. I'll wash them while you go take a rest so you can get well soon, okay?
Both of us?
It's fine. I'll wash them. Just keep them here. Maybe you can help her feel better too.
Okay.
Thank you very much, ma.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Make sure you complete your medicine. It will help you.
I expected her to shout at me and scream for me, but for where? She turned out to be very, 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 very sweet.
Like an angel.
I'm telling you.
That lady is good though. She has a good and kind heart. She even asked about me. That, how are you? Have you taken medication? How are you feeling? And I could feel the sincerity and the love from her. Hey!
Keep that your loud mouth quiet. Move. Now, Simo Angel. Who is Angel? You know what? You love people that pretend a lot. That woman pretend. She knows how to charm people so that he will take their joy brutally. Look at you.
What if she's not pretending, and Sister Ada? What if that's who she is? They are good people.
I regretted going there. To not even tell her to wash those clothes for me is something that got me so pissed. In fact, this is me that was even going there to annoy her. I literally went there to provoke her. But she turned out to make me look like a fool.
I can't believe this. Well, I know she pretends a lot, but very soon, she will do what will make you to hate her. She is pretending. She's not nice, though.
So I should calm down. Relax about all these things. Let's just give her a chance. Okay?
Which chance? Which dirty chance? May God close that your mouth where you don't say chance. Which dirty chance they won't give her? Please don't open that your mouth.
We are in public. We are outside. The way you shouting at me, you be shouting at me.
Are you challenging me?
Sister, you respect yourself. We are outside.
Come, stop disgracing yourself. Let's go.
Every small you want to slap me. Am I a tata? Am I a baby?
I'm your elder sister.
2 years only.
Respect me. 2 years? Is it 2 months?
I don't want trouble. 2
years? Is it 2 months? I don't blame you. And you go at that front. Mumu, Angel.
Look at that. What's making you excited? Gee, wait a minute. Are you putting on her clothes?
Yes, no. This lady has so many nice dresses. I just wish I was friends with her so I can be borrowing them once in a while when I want to go out and look good so that everybody will see me. Look
at yourself. Have you heard yourself speak? So because you went to see this rag in her closet, you wore it and you think it suits you, you want to turn to a beggar. Don't you know that the money she used to buy these clothes comes from your own father? When was the last time Papa gave you money to shop? But he gives her money every time to shop. And you want to turn to a beggar?
It's not true. It's not true. That lady looks rich. Can't you see her skin? I'm sure she came from a well-to-do family. It's not only your father that has money.
If she comes from a well-to-do family, then why is she married to Papa? A man as old as Papa, she did not see any other young boy to marry. Papa! And you want to deceive yourself?
It's love. Love. Have you heard of it before? L-O-V-E.
Love. I have not.
You know that thing that makes people do crazy things? Love is deaf, blind, and dumb.
Actually, I see.
When you love someone, age is just a number. Just know this now and know it.
I see that you've allowed her false facade to engulf you, that you're not seeing the worst side of her. You're only accepting the good parts. You're blinded. My friend, if I count 1 or 2 or 3, you go inside and remove this before I slap your teeth.
Don't start.
Don't argue with me. Oh yeah, inside.
Touch this dress.
Touch. I will sound you.
See, it's very... Touch it now. The material is not like this one.
Come on, go inside and change.
What exactly is going on? All the things I used to do that make you laugh, I have been doing them and you are not laughing. Can you talk to me? What is it you want me to do so that laughter can come back to your face?
Don't worry about me. I'll be fine.
Listen, I understand living with my daughters will not be easy because they are grown up, fighting for whatever it is they perceive to be their right. We understand, but will it be asking for too much if I should ask you to have understanding, tolerance, so that we all can move on until we find a lasting solution to this? Will it be asking for too much?
You don't even need to ask me. I knew what I was getting into when I agreed to marry you, knowing that you already have 3 grown daughters. So as I am here, I'm ready to make this marriage work, no matter what, and I will try my best to win their love, their trust, and their affection. So it's fine.
That is the spirit. Thank you so much.
It's fine.
Can I... Monica. Monica the angel. Oh God, this is more. Thank you.
Oh wow, I never knew you were this nice and kind-hearted.
This is not me liking you. I just don't like to see my elders work while I stand by doing nothing. I was raised well by my father and my sister.
Yeah. I like what I see. I'm impressed. So, let me ask you. Do you think we can ever be friends? Because I really do like you.
You do?
Of course.
Why do you like me?
I like you because when I look at you, I see that you have a very good heart. A heart that hates to hurt people. A heart that hates to see people suffer. A heart that is very kind towards helpless people. You're a good person.
You're just saying all of this to make me like you. Don't be so sure that you know me. I'm as cruel and wicked as my sisters.
No. You are nothing like your sisters, and you know it. I am even sure that in your heart right now, you are feeling as if you have betrayed them by being very nice to me. Is that not so? Is that not what you're thinking right now?
This girl, it's like you don't have respect. You don't have respect. You don't have respect at all. All these things we've been saying, he's been entering this year and leaving this year.
Chinyere, what's that again?
Yeah, I said brushing nice and bad.
What is wrong with you? Hey, Joma, what is wrong with you? What are you trying to prove? That you are better than us?
Whoa. Sister, I don't understand. Are you expecting me to walk past an elder while she's sweeping? Papa raised us better than this. You raised us better than this.
Oh, shut up.
Hey. Is it because I've not asked you to kneel down? That's why you're opening your mouth to reply your elder sisters. Eh? Do you want me to give you backhand? So what you're trying to say is that we are very uncultured. Eh? See, already you've broken the sister's code by following the enemy. You've turned your enemy to your friend and your friend's your enemy. If you allow me to touch you, you will not like it.
I know Papa raised us well. And I taught you how to respect an elder. But you see, Monica don't deserve it.
At all. Why?
Monica is Papa's wife.
So?
Her duty in this house is to clean, wash, and do everything in this house. She claimed that this is her home. Have you asked yourself this question? How can a beautiful lady like that, we find like 50 people, got married to an old man?
Oh.
Is that love? You think that is love? No! That is not love. Monica is a gold digger.
Big one.
She came to reap for where she did not sow. And she is planning to send us packing so that he can collect everything from us.
No, she's acting like she doesn't know. No, you've not been seeing the moves that she's been making. Eh? Are you daft? You're trying to think that she can love you more. We are the ones that love you. We are the ones that are going to protect you. What are you trying to insinuate? Eh?
You don't have sense. See this guy, I will beat you. No. Chile, I will beat down.
Leave her now. It's because you're down. She feels your hand cannot come up. If not,
because I'm what?
Eh?
Because I'm what? You see, I'm down, right?
Sister?
I'm down.
No, show her that you're up now. Yeah, sister, that was harsh.
You are very stupid. You don't find anything in that kitchen. I had Cherish in our room. It's.
Ada, there is no food for me. The pot is empty. Where is my own food?
Do I look like a maid? If you want food, then go and cook it yourself.
Wait. Are you saying you just cooked for you and your sisters? Eh?
And my father. I don't know why you are acting surprised. It is not in you that I don't like you in this house. You are not part of us, madam.
But I cook and you eat.
Because that is...
I cook for everybody in this house. No segregation at all. So what is all this one?
Because that is your duty, madam. It is your duty to cook for everyone in this house.
Ada, I hope when I decide to return the favor, you will stand it. In fact, you see this thing that you have started. I hope when I decide to start my own, you will not start crying.
Is that a threat? Wait. Are you threatening me? What will you do? No, tell me, what will you do? Spread lies about me to my father. Then you will not send me packing. Tell me, what will you do?
Who's? Me? Threatening a goat like you? It's not possible. Yeah? I will not even banter words with you. Just consider what I just said now as a warning.
Costa, come and eat now. I'm not fair. And you, what is that?
Here you are. What is this nonsense I just heard? You prepared food in this house and you refuse to serve your mother? Why?
Father, she's not my mother. She's your wife.
And that makes her your stepmother. I trained you in this family for you to learn the importance of showing love to people. Where is that training I gave you? Where is it?
Papa, don't tell me you believed her. I just cooked little food for myself and I was about to enter kitchen to prepare food for her. She started threatening me that she will pay me back.
Why are you such a terrible liar? What you're saying did not happen. You had no plan of preparing any other food for her. What you did was to start to insult her. Telling her that she's not doing her job as a wife in the family. Why would you say that to her? Who trained you to be doing that to a fellow woman? What is wrong with you?
Why should I lie when I'm not scared of her?
You're not scared of her?
Papa, you would have listened to my one side of the story before taking side.
Okay, you have your own side of the story. Sit down. Sit down here. Sit down. Sit down. Oh yeah, stop telling me. Stop telling me that your own side. Stop telling me that your own side of the story.
I'm having a headache, Papa. You don't love me again.
Where did you learn this level of lie?
So you're not buying me drugs. I'm having anything. Oh my God, what happened to my father's love?
Kita alasa ganya.
Papa wants me to die.
You sent for me. Do you need something?
I saw the way you were looking at this clothes the last time I washed it. And I just feel you should have it. Yeah, you can have it.
Are you sure? This looks expensive.
And I feel expensive things will look good on you. I want you to have it. In fact, consider it as a gift from me to you.
You don't have to gift me anything. No. I know this is very expensive and it doesn't look like you want it much.
As fine as you are, you think I will give you something old and call it a gift? Walk on, eh? Listen, I don't want you to reject this gift. It is from my heart. Take it.
Thank you very much. I love you too. I love you. Thank you.
Thank you for accepting it. So just go and try it on. I want to see how beautiful it looks on you.
Okay.
Mama.
It's my kind of clothes.
Why are you putting on Monica's dress?
It's now my sister. She gave it to me.
Why would she give you her clothes?
Because she saw that I liked it and she gave it to me. Can you imagine? She's so nice.
Does she consider us charity? Huh? A woman who leached from my father. Our father made her who she is today. And now she considers us charity.
Sister, I'm sure that was not her intention. No. She's a genuinely nice person and she just wanted to do something good for me. She wants to make me happy. I don't see anything bad in it.
She wants to make you happy. And you foolishly collect the dress from her. Take it back.
Eh?
Take the clothes back to her.
Osigini, if I don't take it back to her uncle,
then declare war between you and I. And I will disown you as my sister. And I'm sure you don't want any stranger to come in between us, right? Take the dress back to her. Now! You don't have common sense. So you don't know the meaning, the difference between real and pretense. Huh?
Thank you.
Ada asked you to return it, right?
I'm sorry, ma, but I can't accept this. I also cannot be your friends. If you do not get along with my sisters, I don't want to be the one to betray them.
But you know I did not give you these clothes to spite your sisters, right? I only gave you because I know you like it and I wanted you to be happy.
Yes, ma, and I appreciate your kindness. Thank you, but I cannot accept it. I also do not want to be friends with you if you don't get along with my sisters. I don't want to be the one to betray them. I'm sorry, ma.
It's okay. I understand. But I also want you to live your life so that you don't end up living a life someone else wants for you instead of a life you truly deserve. You are a grown woman. You need to stand firm. you also need to stand by what you believe in.
Thank you for the advice, ma. I'm sorry, but I can't be your friend. Thank you.
What game are you playing? I'm asking you. What are you up to? You know what? Your problem is that you fake everything. You knows how to pretend. But you know what? I cannot be fooled by this your fake smile.
Is everything a game to you? Is everything a game to you? Why does any form of kindness or any act of love seem like a scheme to you? Who messed you up like that? Who messed with your head? That is what I want to know.
Madam, stop pretending to my sisters. Stop acting nice to them so that you can win their hearts. Stop the pretense.
Is that what you think of me now? Oh, that is what you think of me now. Do you think your father is all that? You think your father is the best thing that has ever happened to you?
As if you had a better choice. And yet, you settled for an old man.
Listen, marrying your father has turned out to be the worst decision I've ever made in my life. Because he made me come in contact with a fool like you. Yes, you are very useless. You are a short goat. In fact, you are a minute, foolish girl who does not want anybody to be happy. Yes! You pretend like you love them. You pretend like you want the best for them. But deep inside your short black heart, you are filled with jealousy. You are angry anytime any of those your sisters find love and happiness. Because you are not capable of giving love and you are not capable of receiving one.
I'm sure you have been waiting for a day like this so that you can pour out these horrible things out of your mind. Hi! Me! Short goat. So, I don't talk to goat. Let me warn you for the last time. Stay away from my sisters. Stop giving them gifts so that you can convince them to think you are a good person. You are not a good person. I've warned you and I don't want to warn you again. Stay away from my sisters and I.
It seems as if you're having difficulty sleeping. What is the problem?
I am trying so hard. Trying to win over the hearts that can be won over. But she's just there. Standing like the devil that she is.
What are you talking about? I mean, who is just there?
Who else? Ada, of course. Every effort I make to come close to these girls, she thwarts it, and I find myself going back to where I started. Just look at Ijoma. She was beginning to come around. It was looking as if we were going to, start having the relationship that I've always wanted. From nowhere, Ada came and blackmailed her emotionally. Blocked her heart and everything just scattered. Now we are back to square one. This is frustrating.
Honestly, I understand how frustrating this can be. I understand it. But seeing that you have been following this pattern of trying to win the other girls and it is not working because Ada seems to have a very strong hold over her sisters. Don't you think it would be right to, try a different pattern? And that different pattern is to seek to catch Ada's attention directly.
It looks like a very good plan. But trust me, it is an impossible mission.
Why would you say that?
Like you don't know her. As short as she is, she has the hardest and the strongest heart.
Yeah, but at least you can try.
Please.
I miss you so much. Waiting to meet you here was a torture.
Baby, I missed you too. I just needed the perfect time to come and meet you.
This is very nice. It makes a woman look soft and romantic. That is why I got it for you.
Babe. I am soft already, or you want me to be softer? Thank you, my love. You really know how to pamper me.
If I don't do that, who will?
Nobody, actually.
See, I am tired of meeting you here. I want to come to your house freely, even if it takes seeing your father. This hide and seek thing is not my style.
My love, I am sorry I'm making you do this. But you have to be very patient with me. My father and sister cannot know about this. If not, I'll be in trouble. In fact, they cannot even stand the fact that I have a boyfriend. If my father knows that, he will lock me up and throw the keys away. Please, just be patient with me.
It's okay. It's fine. I will keep being patient, okay? As far as I keep seeing you, because if it happens that I won't see you anymore, I will just die.
It's better to even see me here than not to see me at all. Come here.
Where do you think you are coming from?
I went out.
With who? You went out dressed like this?
I just went on a stroll.
I can smell lies out of your mouth. And let me warn you, Chinyere. If what I'm hearing is true, if what I'm hearing is true, I will finish you. I will deal with you.
What rumor are you hearing?
Rumors of you meeting a man.
Man! God forbid, man, me, Chinyere. No, I am, sister now, I am an adult. I won't do anything to tarnish the image of this family, or our prestige, or even my image. You should stop listening to lies, rumors from haters. It's not good now.
Well, time shall tell if the haters are lying or you were the one that is lying. Look at how you are dressed. Look at you. Look at your lap. You've reduced your bride price. I'm ashamed of you. Go and wash that plate.
Sister, you just seen me for 3 years.
I hear you. If you want to say anything, come out and say it to my face. Stupid girl. I'm no fear.
Yeah. Chichi, baby. This your guy must really love you. Oh, this.
Is that why you're shouting?
Sorry.
Bring your voice down because I might not be able to explain what you just said. Ha.
Oh. Sorry. That's true. I even want to tell you, Seth, you have to be careful. I don't know who is telling sister that things. She's beginning to monitor you. She's watching you closely like a hawk.
think I don't know. She just threatened my life that if she finds out that the rumor she's hearing is true, that she will tell, in fact, she will tell Papa and she will kill me on top. Hey, me, I'm not ready to lose Emeka. I'll run mad. I'll go crazy.
Biko, don't go crazy. That means you and Emeka need to find a way that you'll be meeting without the eyes of people. Yes, you need to meet in secret so that people will not see you and tell Sister Ada things. And you need to stay away from Papa and Monica because if you are caught, hey!
Sis, you're my partner in crime, right? Aren't you?
Make her first think now. Partners in crime, take, collect. As long as goodies is coming, the day is stop. I don't know you don't know me.
If you don't vomit the ones you've eaten before,
come on, shut up. Oh, shit.
If you eat it here now, somebody might come and see. Let's go to the room.
My darling.
My beautiful wife.
I made this juice from the scratch, specially for you. You see this juice? It is the kind of juice you see in all these big restaurants and eateries.
But what I am seeing here is actually better than those ones.
Yes, now don't you see the particles?
The particles.
I squeeze the orange.
You cannot drink that, Papa.
Why?
Such a drink for a man of your age should be considered poison. And I'm surprised your wife don't know about this.
What are you saying? I don't understand. What are you saying? This is natural juice. I made it myself with orange and pawpaw. What is poisonous about it? Is it not a healthy drink for a man of his age?
For young people like us, madam. Not for my father's age. Or you have planned to kill him before his time? I'm asking you! Jesus! You slapped me!
Sorry.
Easy now.
Ndo, sorry. Sorry.
You want to injure me? Take it easy.
Sorry. Hey.
How come you are this injured and Auntie Monica is barely sweating?
At all.
Are you insinuating that she beat me up?
No, not at all. She's just trying to say that the one with less or no injury is always the winner of the fight.
Hold. Why am I detecting mockery and celebration in your voices?
Celebrate what?
Mockery.
God forbid.
Sister, I cannot mock my elder sister now. I can't do that though. I'm just wondering why Papa was there and he didn't do anything. He could not even stop the fight. Look at the way she beat you blue and black. She really punched you. See, your face is red.
She did not beat me. Besides, father was scared of his waist and the witch he married as a wife. She did not beat me. She thinks she can lay her hands on me and go scot-free. If you see the way I beat her up.
You did?
I pounded her like a yam. I smacked her down.
Smack down?
Yes.
Hey!
I trust you.
One more!
I can't even believe that I have such power. It was like magic.
I can't believe in myself. My sister.
Sister Ada.
Hey! Smack down.
Wait, but I'm calling both of you. Where were you that time?
You did?
Yes, now.
I was not at home.
What about you?
What about you?
Just that I am curious. Lately, you find it difficult to go to bed. And when you finally get into the bed, you don't sleep. I am your husband. You cannot put up to me. What exactly is the problem?
Something is not right. The disrespect I collect from your daughters every day is making me sleepless. And I am beginning to wonder, how did you present me to them? As in, what did you tell them about me?
I don't understand. I mean, what do you mean by how did I present you to them? What kind of question is that?
What did you tell them? What was the reason you gave them for marrying me?
What other reason should a man give for marrying his wife? What other reason? If not that he loves her. What else?
Did you tell them that you married me just for the sole purpose of having a male child? Is that all I am to you? A baby-making machine?
Honestly, Monica, I am not enjoying this discussion. I don't like your tone. What are you saying? I am your husband. I married you appropriately. And you are living with me as a wife. If I start hoping that a male child will become mine through you, is there anything wrong in a man expecting to have a male child from the woman he loves? Please, stop trying to make me take the blame for my daughter's misbehavior. It is not right. Please. Why are you shedding tears now? This is not right. Please. And this is something I never wanted to say, but you have finally pushed me to the wall, and I'm going to say it. If you will not acknowledge my wife as the woman of this house, I want you to pack and leave.
Are you asking me to leave your house, Father?
Didn't you hear the condition attached to it? If you will not acknowledge my own wife as the woman of this house, you should leave. There cannot be two captains in one ship. If that happens, the ship is going to capsize. There is only one captain in this house, and that captain is not you. Okay?
Chai!
What is shy? No, what is that?
Father, you are really rejecting me. You're only your Ada. Chai! This is an insult. Father, look at the way that you are talking to an innocent motherless child.
So you are now referring to yourself as innocent. What a shame. Do you think I am actually moved? With this your crocodile tears? I am not moved at all. Listen, you have to learn how to tolerate my wife. If you don't want to tolerate her, Ada, pack your things and leave.
I said it, Father.
You said what?
That this your wife has planted a seed of rancor in you. That you are no longer seeing me as important in your life.
Your emotional blackmail is not working. It used to work, but it's not working anymore. If you fail to do what I've just told you, you are going to pack your things and get out of this house. Papa! Mama! Shut up!
They're taking my father away from me! Hi! Mama, where are you? This is my biggest fear is beginning to happen!
Sit down here and continue with the emotional blackmail.
Somebody help me! Mama, where are you? This one pain! Me. Captain, if you leave. I said it, I'm in charge. I'm your nightmare. Monica, you've not seen anything. I'm in charge. Chinyere, Ijoma, I called both of you here because Papa threatened to send me out of the house.
Eh?
You heard me.
Wait. Threatened to throw you out of the house. Why? How?
What reason if not for that witch Monica? Monica fed lies about us to Papa. And now Papa is helping her to fight us. Told you.
Eh? Hey, can you imagine?
I told you Monica don't love us. She's planning to send us packing.
Monica, but sister, now what for you? Your own self is too much. Eh? Be calming down. You did not make things easy for Monica and Papa. You're always interfering. What is it? You can't say calm down and focus on your life the way Papa said you should.
I only interfere when things go wrong in this house. Or am I supposed to fold my hands so that things will be getting worse in this house?
But sister, you need to calm down for real. Making Monica your enemy is understandable. But Papa, how? How can you make Papa your enemy? Don't you think he will go against us? That's what you're seeing now.
Papa is not my enemy. God forbid, I will never fight Papa. But I will not slow down. I'm not calming down, no. I will keep fighting to protect this family.
How do you intend to do it?
I will frustrate Monica. I will rob her for poto. See, she pack her bag and leave this house. And quit this marriage.
Sister.
Brother. Okay, you are not joining me in this.
Your problem is that you like company too much. Every time are you not joining? Are you not accompanying? Can't you do it alone? Yeah? You're looking for who you go and kill and come out and sit down.
Wait, you want to turn your back on me after everything?
Well, you know how it is now. Blood before anything. Bloodline.
I trust you.
Bloodline.
See, Ijoma, let's fight together. Eh? Let's fight together as family. Okay?
I'm with you. Bloodline.
Bear with me.
Bloodline.
I trust you. Smile now.
How did this cloth get here? Hey, what is this? Hey! What is this? Oh! What is this?
This is going to be bad. I'm not among us. I'm not part of it. I'm not among the people.
Leave it. I know you are a weak person. You don't have the mind to do bad thing because you are a weak soul. Leave it for
extremely weak. Listen, if you don't want to be among, just remove your hand. Don't come and be saying things that are against what we are fighting for. I'll beat you one day. I will slap you.
She hasn't seen anything yet. This is just the beginning. I will deal with this woman. We will teach her a lesson. Sister, you give me sister, this one sweet me.
Is it that you all are hard in the what? Nobody wants to speak? Who is the person that destroyed this designer wear that my wife is managing? Something that brings out the beauty in my wife. Who destroyed it to the extent of tearing it into pieces like this? Can somebody talk to me? Nobody wants to say anything. You know what? 3 of you go down on your knees.
Yeah?
Kneel down immediately.
Papa.
I said kneel down immediately. You think I'm talking to what? I thought I raised very responsible children. People who had human sympathy. Little did I know that I raised monsters. Those that are wallowing in witchcraft, wallowing in evil. Why in this world will anybody destroy this cloth? What is going on? What happened? Where is the decency that I babbed in all of you? Can somebody talk to me? Who did this?
But Papa, asking us to kneel down is an insult and embarrassing. We are adults.
I am not seeing any adults here. Rather, I am seeing small girls. Little girls that are wallowing in evil, wallowing in wickedness, and that is the reason you will destroy this designer wear that my wife will wear in this land, and when she's walking, everybody will be turning and admiring her. That is why you will go and tear it into pieces like this. What is wrong with all of you? Who did this? I mean, who did this? Can somebody talk to me? Who did this? Who did this?
Baba, it's Chinyere and Ada. I'm not part of it though. I didn't want to do it.
Stop looking at her like that. Because it is very clear you are the principal witchcraft. Stop!
They wanted to punish Auntie Monica.
And why didn't you speak when I was asking nicely? You waited until I started to shout on top of my voice.
I'm sorry.
Shut up! Because of what you have just done, there is no pocket money for 3 of you for 3 months. I will use that money to replace this designer wear of my wife that you ruined.
Papa, we are sorry.
When you go pimp, if I hear pimp from anybody, I will slap you and you enter into the ground. Nonsense. Burn it.
You are a traitor, very foolish and weak.
I'm sorry. Sorry for your stupid self. Stupid girl. All you had to do was to keep your white mouth shut. You had to keep it closed, but Mba, you opened it to spew rubbish. You decided to play the good and responsible daughter, right?
Sister, I'm sorry. Chinyere, I'm sorry.
Come on, you're my leg.
It's not like that. It's just that Father was hurting. I could not bear the hurt and disappointment in his eyes. I had to say something.
Aye.
I was never part of this. I warned you. I was never part of
May God fire that your mama will take coming, sister. The mad way.
I am part of this, sister.
You think we enjoy doing this? Look at the see that your evil face. Then you have broken gossip mouth. You think we enjoy doing this? You think we enjoy getting Papa upset? No! We are fighting to get rid of stranger in our midst. Can't you see she is trying so hard to separate us from Papa? And you hurt her!
How did I help her? What did I do?
Come on, stand up! Get away!
No, sister. Leave her. Sister, small hand is touching you. You're crying like this. Your small hand is touching her. She's crying. And if I carry my...
Come on, together!
If I give you like this now, with my heavy hand now, what would you do? You needed to keep quiet. Angel, I told you, if you don't have any good thing to say, just be keeping quiet. No! You open your white mouth to tell Papa things that we're not supposed to do. You broke the sister's code!
I'm sorry.
You betrayed us!
I'm sorry.
Make see if you say sorry again, if I use this thing on your head, if I
use that for her!
Hey! I knew it. I said this is Chinyere. When I sighted you people from afar, I was doubting. Oh, Chinyere. Ongi? It's okay. We will talk when you get home. Because something tells me you will want to talk. Odin.
Who was that woman? And why are you so scared of her?
She's my stepmother, baby. She's the hater in my house. She's going to use this situation against us. Hey.
You see why I said sneaking to come and see you is not the best option. I knew it. I just felt one day this thing, somebody will just see you and the news won't be fine.
Hey. But baby, I can't help it. I don't want to imagine what my father and my sister would do when they get to hear this. I'm finished. I'm finished.
No,
I'm
you're not finished. You're not finished.
I'm finished. Oh.
Are you saying you'll be leaving now?
I should be leaving now. I need to go and make sure everything is right, okay? I know I'm finished already, but I need to go and talk to my stepmother. We need to align.
We just got to see each other.
Don't worry, we'll see very soon, okay? Let me make sure that everything is good, okay? I'll see you soon.
I am going to miss you.
I miss you too. Come in.
Are you not going to hug me? Give me a hug.
I'll see you later, okay?
I'll miss you.
What is this? A walk of shame or what exactly? Do you have anything to say?
Auntie, I want to talk about what you saw today. It's not exactly how you saw it, oh. It's not how you saw it at all. I will not do anything to bring shame to this family. Just that I like him and he likes me too.
I am a bit confused here. We are not friends for you to start telling me about your love life. Are we?
Auntie, please. Papa and Adam must not know about this. If they hear about this, they're going to kill me. Please. And I don't want to be separated from Emeka.
Okay. So, you want to keep seeing him in secret? And you want me to keep your secret? Okay. I can do that. It's not a problem.
Thank you, Auntie.
Not so fast. You scratch my back. I scratch your back too. I want you to do something for me. If you want me to keep your secret, you have to tell me everything Ada is planning against me.
Auntie, you're invariably telling me that I should betray my sister. I can't do it too.
Me too. I don't want to betray my husband though. I mean, keeping this secret is going to be a betrayal to him. So I should just be a good wife and tell him everything.
It's okay, I'll do it. I'll do it. But I don't like it. I hate the fact that you're asking me to do this.
And you don't hate the fact that you're asking me to keep your secret too.
I'm thinking deeply. Chinyere, it is time to end this marriage. Papa will be better without Monica. Besides, she's not getting pregnant. Just occupy space and be eating all the fresh food and receiving luxury gifts from Papa instead of us. She'll be unfruitful woman. Dry stick.
I knew somehow that you bringing me outside here, there was something really bothering you, but I didn't know it was this extent. Sister, is it not time for you to allow Papa to be in his own marriage? Rest now.
Which marriage? Is this a marriage? This is called dry marriage.
Hey.
Marriage without child. She is childless. What is she doing? Trying to separate us from our father, receiving luxury gifts, eating more than fresh food, and still be unfruitful. What is she still doing in our house?
Okay, now, so what is your plan? What are you trying to do to scatter this marriage, as you say?
I'm trying to set her up for cheating. Yes.
Sister Ada, so you go to this extent to tarnish her image and reputation because you want to scatter her marriage? Sister? Hi! This is demonic.
Don't tell me I'm in this alone. See, let me tell you, it's not about speaking those your English. I've already planned it today, and I'm executing it today. Today, not the past today. What's in that your name again?
How about my name now? What happened?
Pablo la. Hey, I trust you.
Yes,
Pablo, there's something I want you to do for me.
Yes. What do you want with that?
I want you to come to our house and pretend to be my father's wife boyfriend.
Papa, why will remind me?
Now I make me like you.
No, so how will it go happen?
I go call you. I beg, do clean job for me. Better clean one. Now you go enjoy them.
I say you go pay well now. Shall get. I go, but something now. Okay, action they start with it.
You finish your job.
I go go scatter area now. Give me something now. Give me something. Make I just the.
No, that's the runner. I show you.
I'm man.
No one, shut up your mouth.
Yes, I'm married like this. Are they come, Voila.
She must leave the house. I know Papa cannot withstand this one. I will deal with that witch.
Okay.
Let's go.
Now that you're done, I was
Sister code. Sister's code.
I didn't put full, so you're not going to tell me I was involved in your plans.
Complete it, sister's code. Complete it. Sister's code. Complete it. Good.
Is this young man sitting down here in my compound, eating calmly as if he's the owner of the ground? Who is this man?
My darling, his name is Pablo. He is Ada's boyfriend. And I am so shocked that Ada hid something like this from all of us all this while. Why now?
Your boyfriend?
Papa, I don't have boyfriend.
Ada, relax. You are no longer a baby. You are an adult. So having a boyfriend is not something huge. Just cool down. Is it because of your father? He knows you are an adult. So why are you hiding? What is the problem?
What is going on?
Papa, I don't even understand though. I don't have a boyfriend. I don't even know this man.
Who will I believe now? Who will I believe now?
Monica, he's your visitor now. Why are you trying to pin him on me?
Really? Is that okay? Maybe we should allow the young man to speak for himself.
Yes.
Whose visitor are you?
I'll go good after, sir. I came to see my baby. Ooh, Ada. Have I told you before? Let's stop hiding this thing so that you're no more a baby now. Eh? Let's come and see your parents. You have been hiding this thing. And I like it, you know things do too much. But today I say I must come. I'll go. Oh, Pablo. She's my girlfriend.
Papa, is this a joke or what?
Are you asking me?
Because I'm confused.
I don't like this, no. Asa, I don't like this, no. Why are you hiding out? Pretend I don't know me. I don't like that insult, oh.
Is this a joke?
What do you mean, joke? I don't like it. I wish I can do.
Are you a woman?
Ogo! Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? Asam! Why now?
Betrayers everywhere. Hi! People when they this life no balance. Just no secrets. He leak fear. I was wondering, how did she know that Pablo came to set her up?
Sister, I was as shocked as you were. I think she somehow used witchcraft to manipulate him that he turned against you. Anything is possible.
No, I don't believe that. She is not a witch. Neither does she have superhuman abilities. I think someone betrayed me.
Hey!
Yes.
Someone?
Chinere, you are the only one that knows my plan. How much did she pay you? What did she promise you for you to betray me?
Me?
Your own blood. Your own sister, Chinere!
I didn't do anything, no. She didn't give me anything. I did not betray you. Me? Betray you? How much? For how much? I go forbid, though.
You are still lying to me, right? So betraying me was what worth it. Are you happy now?
Happy.
Well, I think I'm in this fight alone. And I must fight her till she pack her load and get out of this house. I'm alone in this fight.
No, I'm with you.
With who? You betrayer.
Hey, me.
You promised not to turn your back on me.
And I'm still on it.
And you did it. You disappoint me.
Sister, I did not do anything.
Betrayer.
Hey. Oh, what is too big, oh.
Get out!
Eh?
Get out!
This way.
Get out!
Sorry.
The worst witch ever. Well, Monica has won the first round. The second one is mine. We shall see. Even you, Chere. We shall see. My baby Chiri, I miss you so much. Hey? Hey! She's seen a man. So Chiri has a boyfriend and got caught by Monica. Wait, is that why she betrayed me? Hi. Everyone is moving mad, and I have the cure to their madness. Look at this fully full with lousy mouth. She's in support of it. Amofia, stupid girl. Meet me to a normal place. You get Roxy this thing, no, hit that this your idiot head.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
You bad man.
I am not a bad person. I love Chinyere with all my heart. I love Chinyere with all my heart. I love her sincerely. I am not trying to play games.
I bet shut up there, keep quiet in that your dirty mouth. Why are you sneaking to meet a woman? Eh? No. Are you trying to portray her as cheap? No. I'm asking you.
No.
Possible no. Man with one earring.
I love your sister sincerely. I am not trying to do anything that will make her look like a cheap girl. No, I love her. It's just, I don't know why she doesn't want me to come to the house. But I have been saying we should go and see your father. But I don't know why she doesn't want me to come with her.
See my father for what? Eh? See my father for what? Leave my sister alone.
I love her.
Leave her alone. I don't want to see you.
I love her.
You love her?
I love
you. You are still opening up.
I love
her. Chinyere, I'm so sorry. I thought I hid the letter very well. I swear. I didn't know that Sister Ada took it and went out to meet Emeka. Sister Ada, why will you do such a thing now? Why?
Ada, you have scattered all my plans in this life. Because you're not happy. You don't want any other person to experience happiness in this house. Is it true? That's what you want.
See, I don't know how to put it. I'm ashamed of you. You are calling what will destroy your life, your happiness. And then let me tell you, Emeka does not love you. That man is just using you to catch cruise.
Is it your cruise? No, I am asking you, Ada. Is it your cruise? Is it you he's cruising with? Okay, because you are so sad and lonely. You're looking for who you keep in the house to be a sad loner like you. It will not work. You see this one, Ada? I have told you already. If you try me in this house, let me see. Come, let's. I'll just smack you to the ground. Because I've been respecting you. You don't want to respect yourself.
No decent girl will throw herself on a man, kissing and romancing in public. And like you are a public display.
And so, okay. Is it your publicity?
Okay, you want to be a
yes.
Please, I'm ashamed of.
I'm ashamed of you.
I did not raise you up like this.
Are you my mother?
Hi. It's me you are talking to like this. After everything I've done for you, hi, I'm regretting it.
Yeah, you.
I would have put in those things in your food so that you will die.
You cannot do anything. She like this.
Sister, no.
If you try, if you try, I'll just smack you to the ground.
You want to smack me?
Yes.
Come and smack me, sis. Come and smack me. Look at you. Look at you.
I will give you a back.
Because of a man. Because you promised not to leave me. You promised not to turn your back at me.
Am I your husband?
Because of a man. Because of man.
Okay, now.
I'll give you something. One day I'll just give you a back. I'll just give you something.
Papa must hear this.
You say?
Papa must hear this.
That it has not gotten to that.
Come back here. Stay here. Shut devil. You are mean. You are cruel. And you are a sadist. That is what you are.
Should I tell my father about that you knew about Cherish meeting a boy and you kept quiet about it? How will he feel when he finds out that his lovely wife is encouraging a shameful behavior?
Ichiregomoto, do you need transport fare so you can run as fast as you can to go and tell him? Look at you. Are you mad? Chinyere is an adult. She is not a child. Her mates are getting married. So I don't think there's anything wrong with her having a boyfriend at her age. Are you okay?
Really? Is that the way my father married you? Is that sneaking around, pressing and kissing you in public? Eh? Without asking for your hands in marriage?
She is doing it because she knows you are wicked. She is doing it because she knows you will not encourage her. And you are supposed to do that as the eldest. Yes! She is doing it because she knows how wicked your heart is. So if you ask me, my situation and her situation are not the same.
How is it not the same? When you know that what Chiyere is doing is nothing to be praised, but are just encouraging her because you want to spoil her from getting married.
Look at you. Let me tell you something you don't know. Yeah? You can hide under the guise of discipline and morale. You and I know that it is not the truth. You are a naturally wicked girl. In fact, you were specifically created by the devil to spoil people's happiness and love. Anytime you see somebody that is happy, or anytime you see somebody that is in love, your body will be preparing you. You will be so mad and so angry, and all you'll be thinking of is how to go and spoil it. You are just a short devil, that is what you are. And the reason you are doing it is because you cannot attract love and happiness to yourself. So because of that, anytime you see your sisters in love, or you see them happy, you will devise a means. The devil will come and whisper into your ears, and you will now walk like a zombie to go and spoil it. That is the only thing you know how to do.
Me zombie?
You are. I said you are the dwarf of a devil. That is what you are. Foolish goat. And let me tell you something. That is the reason you are not tall. That is the reason you are short. It is all the wickedness that you have packed into your body that is weighing you down. The force of gravity of the wickedness you have inside you is drawing you closer to the ground. If you just release a little. I'm not saying release all your wickedness, so just release a little of your wickedness. You will see how your height will start coming up. Nonsense goat. Change!
God digger!
Look at this one. You think I will stoop low to your level to come and be exchanging the words with you? Then man of man, look at me. The difference in height is too much. I can't even force myself to stoop low to your level, even if I want to do it. Fool. Short devil. I'm not watching foolish goats.
So God, you caused me. She said you punish me. I did not know because of my wickedness. God, so you caused me and you say you love me.
I am actually very angry right now. I mean, who told you girls that you can start having boyfriend right under my nose without my permission? No, who told you that?
Okay, Papa. So now that you know, can we at least have? Because, I mean, I love Emeka.
Do you actually want me to hit your mouth before you develop your sense? I am saying that I am angry that somebody is mentioning boyfriend right under my nose and you are telling me you are in love? How dare you?
Sorry, Papa. But are we not old enough to love and be loved in return? Why is Sister Ada acting as if it's a forbidden and shameful act? Why?
I agree with you, Joma. There is absolutely nothing wrong with falling in love and receiving love.
Yes.
It's beautiful.
No, listen to me. When love is without virtue and honor, it becomes a shameful act. Now listen to what I have concluded. You are permanently forbidden from having boyfriends. In fact, you are forbidden from ever sneaking out of this place to go and see any boy. And on no account must any boy come into this compound to visit any of you. The day it will happen, the way I will handle it, two of you will never understand it. Are you not looking at Ada? A credible daughter of this family who knows how to maintain the prestige of the home.
Thank you.
I had always done it, that she is going to be a brilliant, a shining example. Thank you for who you are. Because I had always known it, that you are not going to allow this big for nothing tool to go astray.
I consider it my duty to always point them towards the right direction, Papa.
Did you hear that?
Stop coming here.
Hey, if I slap you.
So what will happen to you and Emeka now?
I don't know. Choma, I'm sad. All I know is that Ada has ruined everything for me.
I'm really sorry. I don't know why she acts the way she does. Very possessive. She acts like she's her mother or something.
I don't get. To think that she just seniors me for just 2 years and you 4. And she's acting as if she wants to control everything I do and what I don't do.
Her father empowers her to act the way she does.
Well, gone are those days when I allow her to take decisions from you. I will not do it. I won't try it again. Papa's already made up his mind and made his decision, and that's final. I think I should even involve Auntie Monica into this. She should help me talk to Papa.
Talk to Papa? Concerning what exactly?
Listen. Auntie Monica has not been in their clique of forbidden relationships and dates. So if I can talk to her for her to convince Papa, I think she will do it. And she will do it very well. Because this Papa a cake way of thinking, and that also, or of we not having boyfriend, is alarming, and I don't think I can enjoy it too. I don't have that strength. She allow me free in this house.
But why will she help you? You of all people. Oh, that would be hard though.
That's why she's a mother figure, she will.
Okay, no problem. I think things need to change around here because I don't want to go through this. When Lord finds me, I don't want to have to struggle for anything. So please, if there's a way she can help us, let her talk to her husband at this point.
I'm literally tired right now. I never knew a day like this would come. A day where I will need your help. I've not really come in terms to calling you mother. But today, I really feel like talking to you as a mother.
Listen, I have never taken anything you have done to me to heart. I know that adjusting to the presence of a stranger is a lot. So I understand you very well. But I have waited for a day like this when you will realize that I mean no harm. That all I want is for us to be happy. Like one big family. That's all.
I need your help. I cannot stay without Emeka. I can't breathe. I can't breathe without him. I want you to help me tell Father that it's really not a terrible thing to be in a relationship as long as we uphold morals and decency.
I hope you know that he is not allowed to touch you or sleep with you until you get married, right?
Yes. In fact, that's the reason we'll be meeting in public places. I promise we don't do anything terrible.
The thing is, what you are asking of me is really hard because of the way your sister has spoiled everything. The way She has spoiled your father's mind concerning this topic. And I know she's doing it because she's not capable of finding love. So she is fighting tooth and nail to make sure that she spoils yours. I understand her though. I really do understand her. Listen, as an elder sister, there is this fear you have when your younger ones are finding love and getting married before you and moving into their husband's house, leaving you all alone in your father's house. People look at you as if you are the problem. They look at you as if you don't have home training. They look at you as if you are cursed. And that is what she is trying to avoid. And that is why she is fighting tooth and nail to make sure that she drags you both down with her. She wants you to stay in your father's house with her so that people will not focus their attention on her as the problem.
I wasn't going to see you again.
I feel the same way too. Seeing you like this is trouble, but not seeing you at all is insanity. Yes, I can stand trouble, but insanity, I'm not sure I'll be able to.
Is there nothing I can do? See, I will die if I stop seeing
There is something you can do, Mr. Man. Yes. Carry this your filthy hands and this your gorilla face out of my sister's body. And you, what are you doing here?
Sister, it's enough. Enough! Why are you always acting like my mother? Are you mama? Did I beg you to come and look for me on the road? See, sister, it's like what Monica said is true. It's like what Monica said is true. You're trying to impose your loneliness and sadness in our own lives so that we'll remain in the same house with you and Papa. It will not work. It will not work, sister. You cannot do it. You will die lonely. Stay away from me. Stay away from my happiness. What is it now?
Chinyere, you dare open your mouth and say all this widest thing to me.
And so what?
You allow Monica to poison your mind against
She did not poison, she said the truth.
your own sister.
Yes, see, she said the truth. Is it a lie? Are you not my sister? Are you not supposed to support my happiness? But what are you doing? I feel like you're trying to scatter everything that makes me happy. Stay away from me. Ada, stay away from me. I will wound you. Hey! Okay.
After everything I've done for you. And you, what are you looking at? Look at who you are following. He's even wearing earring, forming fine, but you think you are fine, Abby? You don't know what you look like.
If you have somebody as close to this, you will not be carrying Ken and be looking for us up and down. You will not be disturbing Monica and Papa that are in love. You don't have love, that's why you're looking for who to destroy. But you've met the wrong person. If you near me, I will match you to the ground.
You will match me?
Yes, I will join you to the ground.
Meet me at home.
What can you do? You even carry Ken for me.
And you, stay away from my sister. I've warned you. You will meet me at home.
Go home and
I will flog you.
Carry your loneliness and go home. You're carrying Ken for me. I will wound you. I'll destroy you.
You evil woman. You tried to separate me from my father. And you fail. Now you have succeeded in separating me from my sisters.
I did not separate you from your sisters, though. You did it all by yourself when you decided to play mommy instead of a big sister.
What is the difference? Both are expected to be protective.
Yes, I agree. But a big sister is expected to be supportive. Something you have not done for them. Why? Why are you so scared to support them?
You think I'm the cause of everything. No, but if this problem started when you came into this house, and now you want to make me feel as if I'm the cause of the problem.
Oh yeah, prove me wrong. Prove me wrong by supporting them. What are you afraid of? You are scared they might all get married and leave you here? As for me, I will keep speaking in favor of their happiness. Are they not old enough to get married? You are just trying to be a stumbling block on their progress.
Stop pretending like you care about my sisters. As for me, I will keep on fighting and protecting my sister from deceptive women like you.
Let us see who wins. Let us see who wins. You see you, I will make sure your sisters get married. Yes, you see that wickedness of yours. It will not work. They will get married and they will move to their husband's house. You, if you like, sleep here. If you like, get old here. Just know that this house will not contain me and you. So better start looking for your own man so that you will leave me to enjoy my husband's house in peace.
This is my father's house.
You're not ashamed of yourself. This house is my father's house. How old are you? Even if you even check it very well, maybe it is your stature that is deceiving you. You might even be older than me. But I am in my husband's house. So please, find a way and go to your own husband's house so that I can enjoy my husband's house in peace. Shut devil. Babe, everybody's happiness is my concern in this house.
Okay.
I stay most of the times with these girls and I see how unhappy they are.
Can you tell me what is the reason they are unhappy? What?
Telling a girl that is above 30 that she cannot date without your permission is really sad. I mean, Chinyere is old enough to have a boyfriend. I see her mates getting married. I think you should give her the chance, to get to know the person she likes and then make up her mind if the person is going to make a good and responsible husband. She's old enough to do that.
Honestly, I understand your point. Don't get me wrong. I understand your point. But from what I know of these young men that are perambulating everywhere, if I should give my daughters the liberty to be mixing with those young men, it is going to lead to a lot of complications.
I know what you are afraid of, but trust me, what will lead to complications is you forbidding them from dating openly. It will only make them to start sneaking around. And when they start sneaking around, it brings shame and discomfort, and before you know it, that thing you are afraid of will happen. Listen, if you encourage them to bring home whoever they are dating for you to meet, they will trust you with their secrets as well, because they will be very comfortable with you. Then you will be able to monitor them, guide them, and then make sure they don't disgrace the family. Yes.
Very brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. And I actually think I like it. You know what? Let Shinya, my daughter, but let her bring this young man that you know that she is in a relationship with. Let me get to see the young man. We can pick it up from there. You can do that?
I will. Thank you so much. She'll be so happy. I will let her know.
But this is not what my father told me.
Times have changed.
Yeah.
Things are not done that way again.
Okay.
These days, you need to, know who you are dating.
It's okay. No problem. Let it come.
To avoid stories that touch the hearts.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Sister,
what is going on here? Why are you all dancing? Is Monica finally pregnant?
Don't worry, it will happen very soon.
amen.
Because I know that you are my #1 womb watcher. Continue watching, it will happen.
Sister, Papa has finally agreed that I should bring Emeka home. And Mother here helped me to talk to Papa.
Mother? Since when did you start calling her a mother?
Since I accepted that she's a good person. Listen, Monica here is a woman with a pure heart, and that is an attribute of a mother to her children. You should leave this your fighting and all this trouble behind. Face reality. She's a good woman.
Yes.
She means well for us.
Because she supports your indecent choices. You are not calling her a mother. You are a betrayer, Cherish.
Sister Ada, you calm down now. Calm down. Let go of all this your hatred. Let it go. Can't we all live in peace? Let's live as one peaceful, happy, big family. Are you not tired of fighting?
I am not tired of fighting. And I must continue to fight what is evil.
That's why you're not going fat or going
You
tall.
fight alone.
Okay, but you seem to have a lot on your mind. Would you mind sharing with me? What is the problem?
Well, you know that I trust you absolutely. I can share anything with you. It is Ada. Since I accepted the young man Chinyere is seeing, Ada has become very sad and she isolates herself from others. It's giving me serious concern.
Ada is just afraid of being alone after her sister has found love. But what I don't understand is it that she does not believe in love? Or she feels love can never find her?
I had that fear that because of her physique, she believes that she may never find somebody who will find her attractive. I always had a fear.
But that is where she's getting it all wrong. For the person. I mean, no matter how a woman is, there's always a man for that person. Yes. So all she needs is to, put herself out there, and the right man for her will find her without even giving her any stress.
Does it actually occur to you that you are the best? I'm telling you, you are simply the best. Despite all the things Ada has done to you, here you are, wishing her the best, praying for a beautiful future for her, wishing her excellence.
But Ada is also my daughter. She's just taking her time. I know that one day she will come to terms with it and accept me. And we will have a beautiful relationship. I see beyond what she's doing. All those things is, I just feel it's,
I must have to tell you, listen, we have women everywhere. Women everywhere, but women like you, they are in short supply.
Really?
I'm very sorry. I have said some unforgivable things towards you. I know that you're very, very sad. Please forgive me for even altering those kind of words, saying that you're going to remain lonely and we'll get married and live in this house. I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry.
But what you say is not far from the truth. I'm just learning to be myself because I know you two will get married.
Sister, what do you mean you two will get married? Won't you also get married someday, eh? Are you writing yourself off or something?
Can't you see the way you look? Who will love me like this? No man has ever desired me.
Sister, how do you look? Every woman has one special man out there for her. You're unique in your own way. You're special. Everyone was created in a unique and special way. So don't worry. That man, that right man for you will come. Okay?
Yes.
It's okay.
And don't worry, we will never ever leave you, okay?
I'm sorry the way I treated you too. I know I look like an enemy of progress, but trust me, the truth is that I am happy because you two are happy. I'm sorry.
No need to apologize. We love you, okay? Don't worry.
And I promise also that I'll never leave you alone. I'll be here with you. And for you too.
Don't worry. You be speko, sister. Now you know. Don't worry.
It's fine.
You'll be fine.
Put me down! Put me down, Mr. Man!
Hey!
Put me down! Put me down!
Ugechi.
I'm not Ugechi.
Wait, sorry. You're not Ugechi?
I'm not Ugechi.
I'm sorry, but Ugechi didn't tell me she had a twin. Honestly, she didn't tell me. I'm so sorry.
I'm not Ugechi. Neither do I have a twin sister.
Hi. Okay, I'm so sorry. You look so much like Nkechi. Nkechi is the love of my life. You know, we lost contact, and by the time I checked her out, I discovered that they've relocated. And since then, we've not been able to meet, and I'm so sorry for the embarrassment.
It's okay. Well, sorry about that.
So, what is your name?
My name is Ada.
Ada. I'm Samuel.
Welcome.
Pleased to meet you.
I pray you meet us someday.
No, I don't need to pray anymore. I think fate has brought the love of my life back to me. You're beautiful.
Thank you.
So, where were you going to?
Oh, I went to check something there, so I'm going back home.
Oh, where is home? This way?
Yeah, this way.
Okay, so can I drop you off maybe, if you can, if you don't mind?
Is this your car?
Oh, yes, that's my car.
Okay.
Right.
Spill it now, sister.
Spill now, Auntie Ada.
Hey, allow me to blush.
Yeah.
He said he likes me. That he wants to be seeing me every day.
Every day. Wait.
Love.
He likes
Love.
you. Wait, sister. You say he likes you.
Yes, so.
He wants to see you every day. You found love.
I found love. Sweet one at that though. Do you know the sweetest part of it? The way he uses one hand to control the steering while driving.
Ha!
So hot.
So sister, hey, wait, sister. So you mean you're falling in love with him because he uses one hand to control his steering?
No, that is the sweetest part of it.
Wait. Does he have AC in his car?
Plus AC.
AC plus.
Clean car.
Hey!
How you see this life?
Sister, congrats. Oh, I'm happy for you.
After everything, I'm not the one that has rich and handsome guy.
Hey.
He's handsome. Thank you. He is very handsome.
Chai.
He's handsome than a maker. Hey. My relationship has level. Your own is roadside. My own inside car. AC.
What's bringing all this kind of talk now?
Hey! My eyes must be deceiving me. No, is this Ada that is laughing so loud, smiling, happy like a normal human being? Yes. Something good must have happened. Ada, tell me what happened.
Since when did we become friends? That I should share my personal life with you? Madam, please. We may not be fighting, but we are still not friends.
Yeah.
Look at the way you just spoil my happiness. Asserting. I'm not roadside Odogo. I'm not people that married old men.
See your wig. Highly inflammable.
My beautiful wife, you are the one who called for this meeting. Can we get to hear you?
My love, I have good news. In fact, two good news.
Brilliant. Okay, can you start telling us what this good news is all about? But please, start with the one that will not make my heart to rise so fast. I mean the one you consider to be very sweet by your judgment. Start with that one.
Ada has found someone. I think she is in love. And she is very happy.
That is my news to break, not yours. Why do you like to poke nose in things that do not concern you?
Be very careful with the kind of things you say. She's your mother.
She's not my mother.
What she said, is it true?
Yes, Father. I'm sorry I kept it away from you. I was waiting for the right time to tell you.
Well, you should know that any form of secret relationship is prohibited in this family completely. Now that you have developed the boldness to start having a boy, a man, and they are talking about falling in love, I want to see that young man. I want an introduction, so you are going to bring him here. Okay?
Yes, Father.
Good. My wife, this one is done and dusted. Okay. What is the second news?
Okay. The second news is that I will soon be a mother.
What?
I am pregnant.
Congratulations!
Uncle Amen.
Congratulations.
Come here. Oh, young
Congrats.
This is so nice. Ana alụ ana abịa ana alụ. Chukwu alụkwa.
I'm going to be a big sister. Congrats, ma. Congrats.
These are my sisters, my younger sisters.
Your younger sisters?
Yes.
Hey.
Samuel.
Big sister.
You know each other?
Hey!
My brother-in-law. You should have told us that you will be visiting. We would have made proper preparation for you. Big sister, my brother-in-law, I'm so sorry. You know, I wanted to enjoy, the village, enjoy the vicinity, without you worrying about my whereabouts. But I think I got busted right now.
Wait. I don't understand. What is going on? I'm hearing brother-in-law and sister. Please, what is going on here?
Baby, the truth is this. Your stepmother is my one and only big sister.
What?
Now what for you? How can you stay happy without talking to your big sister?
Sister, you know I miss you. You can't say something like this now. I have missed you, and that is the truth.
Please leave that thing. It's a lie. Yeah? There's no way you will tell me that you miss me. Yet you don't know where I live. Yeah? You don't know where I live. A man came to your house, your father's house, and took me away. Up till now, you have not bothered to find out where that man lives. You miss me. Yeah? How can you now claim that you're a protective brother?
It's like, why do you keep saying something like this? You know what? Relax. I promise you I will visit. And I promise you I will visit like a ghost in the night. You will be surprised. I will surprise you.
Please, you know I do not like surprises at all. Anytime you want to come, you better tell me so that I can prepare for you. You will come like a thief.
I like surprises. Don't worry, I will surprise you. I promise you I will come. The only part where I might fail in the surprise is that I will have to call your husband to give me directions to come to your house.
I'm glad you know. You better call, because it will pain me if they start calling me to come and start looking for you because you are lost. Okay. Eh?
Moi. Missing. Sister, please calm down. Alright, sister, take care of yourself. Okay. See you soon. Is this not Nkechi? This is Nkechi. Fighting over a man. Oh, wait. Is Nkechi in love with another person? What was I even thinking? That Nkechi would actually wait for me to find her. Nkechi.
Wait. Oh, Father, Samuel is the man I'm saying. So I brought him to you so I can introduce him to you. I never knew we are family already.
It is very obvious that we are already family. Just that I am expecting Samuel to explicitly mention what his intention is.
You know, when I saw her, I remembered my ex, you know, and seeing that they look alike, so much alike, I connected to her immediately.
Hey, Charu, let me understand something. Are you saying that Nkechi, that Nkechi that you have been hiding, that I never saw with my eyes, and you have been looking for all these years, is identical to Adam?
Big sister, exactly. Right? Same stature, same height, the way she talks, everything. In fact, I think fate has connected me to my first love, but this time in a different identity.
So you are saying this is your spec? Yeah, if I spec, girl. Yeah, you.
Sister Maseregasi, will I tell you? Can I light? Sister, see.
See this one? Oh, Chimo. Sister, we are waiting for you.
That went well. What do you think?
It's my father, but as for your sister, I'm not sure. We have been at war, never liked each other. So there is no way she will approve our enemy to our brother.
No. If my sister you're talking about is the one that I know, my own sister, trust me, my sister would never make anyone miserable. She's a very nice person. That's just the truth. My sister, I know, she has a heart of gold, and that's the truth.
You don't get it. She tried to befriend me, but I was so mean to her and I disrespected her so much.
Okay, listen, let me make you understand this. I don't know what your opinions are about my sister, but I want to make you understand this. You have to really listen to me. My sister is not the one that will ever disrespect you. She's not the one that will want to make anyone miserable. I have to say this again. Okay? My sister loves me and I love her. And whoever she loves, I love. Whoever I love, she loves. Whatever is going to get me happy makes her happy. Whatever thing makes her happy makes me happy. And that is just it. So I think that the best thing right now is for you to sit down and have a word with my sister. Trust me. And don't forget that my sister is your stepmother right now. Talk to her.
I wish I knew that she will one day approve my happiness.
Don't worry. You'll be fine, okay?
Can I talk to you, Auntie?
Hey, which one is Auntie again? Considering the fact that you'll soon be my sister-in-law, I think sister will do just fine. I mean, it fits the profile more.
You mean you accept me as your sister-in-law? After everything I said and did to you?
You think I took those things to heart? I could see through you. I saw a girl who was just protective of her loved ones, her sisters, her father, because they just lost their mother. You tried to make everybody happy. You tried to make them comfortable even when you were falling apart. I saw all that. Listen, whatever you did to me came from a place of fierce protection towards the people you love, and I totally understand that. Let me tell you what I think of you. You are a very good girl. You are homely. You are decent. And above all, You are protective of the people you love. So, who would not want that for her only brother and family? Who? Huh?
I have wronged you. I've judged you wrongly. I've condemned you. A sinner without any offense. Please, I'm sorry.
Stand up. Stand up. Listen. I forgave you long time ago. I put you in my prayers every day. I've always prayed for you to find love just like your sister. I never knew that fate would direct you to my brother. Listen, I don't fight fate. I accept God's plans for us. Okay? Congratulations, Ada. You will make a good wife for my brother. So,
sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Sorry.
Osgo. It's okay. It's okay.
Can I get a hug too?
Of course.
I'm sorry.
It's fine. Don't worry. You make a very good wife. And your home will be blessed. I can see it already.
And you make a beautiful mother.
It's okay. It's okay.
Everybody should just be excited with me. Because my son is coming into the world. Samuel, start the car.
Where wide, bro, the dance of hatred spreads wide. She came for love, not for war. Justice call people done before. The echoes of their mother's name from the flames of their